There's so many levels from recording in this space well, first off, for me, I definitely start at my house with like, okay, what am I going through today mentally?
Yeah.
Am I happy? Am I sad? Am I whatever? Then you take it to this place, you get to the studio, you're like, okay, let me tell you guys what I was just thinking about. What can we do? Then you do it, you finish it, you go through the mixing, the mastering, wrap that song up with a bow, and then you give it to the world. So then you think about the first impact that it has on people in their ears. Then you take it to tour.